Hey buddy.
Hey,
Ngaphila unjani?
yo,
It's good.
not really. It's been too good, but
You're fine.
I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm sorry that it happened this way, but
I just didn't think it was when ago.
yeah, I know, because we've been friends for like a long time. But I called you here today.
Yeah.
This is hard. But I called you here today. I know with Sabangani and stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm going to say. With izofila kanjani kuwena and everything. Yeah, I know this is gonna sound very strange since we're friends and since we've been friends. But as you know, we've been close. I don't know how to say this.
Oh wow.
Okay, are you gonna understand first?
Yeah.
You want to support me, I promise.
I'll try and understand.
Okay, so okay, let me just say it. Here it is. So I've been developing some type of feelings for you. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, that's true. I've been developing feelings for you from last year.
Since last year.
Easy. Since last year, you understand. So it's not easy with something. It's hello, Razo, I love you and everything. But then, our hamburger areas. So I decided I don't want to lose you forever. You understand? So I saw a campus crash and I was like, opportunity, and here we are. So I brought you here today to tell you that I like you kakulu, and I would like for us to have a relationship that's more than friendship in a type of way, but it's all up to you. Mina ukuthi ngiyasho nje ukuthi ngingafisi ukuthi kwenzakale ini ngokwami. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, he's saying wow.
That's a lot to take in. That's a lot. I won't lie. I'm surprised. I'm surprised, you know, because in young now, so we've been friends for the longest time. Like, yeah, girls, why now? You know, why?
It's not like in the figure magic.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just surprised. I don't know what to say.
You don't know what to say, but you.
By the way, you look nice. You look nice. You look nice.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Ow.
But like saying I look nice doesn't mean anything. Can I like
What?
I'm asking okay, do you ever think of us more than just friends? Let me just start there. Do you ever have that thought in mind?
Honestly, as a guy, I'm just being honest as a guy right now.
Okay.
It was last year, right? Beginning of the year. I was like, okay, she's nice. Ngathanda ukuthi mhlambe ngibone ukuthi okay, approach her or what. But then isn't though like things escalated to another level la ukuthi this is bengisakwazi ukukhuluma, like, you know, so it's just okay, we'll be friends because vele sesindawo, you know. I won't lie, at first I had that thought, if me and you can talk.
Why didn't you say something?
I mean, come on, you know how it is already.
And everything.
And another thing, I'm trying to jola areas, you know, just like you know, just you know, everything you do. I'm not saying I do things, but yeah, and then that's your name, it's on you. Now it's on me.
Yeah,
you know?
I understand.
But then it's Katsa Hamburg, I was cool with everything. Yeah, I didn't think we open this way back to that road again, you know.
But like, as in like right now?
As in right now?
Yeah, okay, right now, like, I'm the one asking you.
I know.
Yeah, I'm the one asking you, Gucci, do you want to, or can you accept my...
You know what? Okay, just straight now, you know, and everything.
Okay.
And it's kind of hard ukuthi bengayilindelanga yonke lento yabo, especially for someone I've been friends with yabo. Angifuni izinto zibe awkward part way too, you know, but if you give me some time, unginike isikhashana just to digest like everything yabo.
Time.
I know, but I can't just come with my mind. I'm like, okay, let's do this, you know. Yeah, I don't lie. I don't know if you get rice and man see. Well,
You want time. But like I feel like I don't have time because we've had time. We've known each other. It's a matter of just saying you can you can date or we can't because of certain reasons. Now I can understand if you have your own reasons of us not being able to see each other. Obviously I have to understand. I can't force you into anything with me, you understand?
okay. Honestly, I like you,
Yeah.
but I like it's even calling out about the so it's okay with friends, okay, and I like that. And not like we're clapping the game, we can become more than friends, but just messages will come on my mind like boom, I have to decide
It's
now.
timing.
So like if you can just give me time, gives me process
Okay, so right now we end it's Ubuti. For now, you're not ready. You need some time.
Yeah, but in the meantime, like let's keep on talking.
Keep on talking. You mean keep on being friends?
If you know but I'm just going to
Shitty, you're declining my request.
I didn't say so.
Shitty, you are because you're saying in the meantime we should just continue talking in normal terms.
So, Pela, we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about this. We're going to talk about this. Me and you know, we're going to talk about it. Just that I can't make a decision right now.
Okay, but I can't say I'm happy with your response.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
But
I won't say I'm happy or anything, but yeah, because I don't want to lose you as a friend, you understand?
and you won't.
I feel like this already will make me lose you as a friend because
No,
I see some awkwardness, but it's fine. I think I'll have to swallow up whatever a corner.
If we see you see some awkwardness, I'll tell you one thing. For such a thing, it was bound to be awkward.
Yeah.
It was bound to be awkward. But since it's always a we was not dealing we can take it back, and now me, I don't want to lose you either.
As a friend.
As a friend. So if it happens that we become more than friends, it will happen.
But just not now.
Yeah, just give me some time.
Okay.
We'll talk.
Okay.
But I'm happy that you did this. Somehow I'm happy, I don't know why, but I'm happy you did this. Because now I know where we stand, and I appreciate that. You did this.
Okay, it's fine. Give me a hug, okay? So, that is. Okay, it's fine. Thank you for listening, though.
Anytime, you know. So, see, Pilanin.
Already you asked me who's planning.